So, it comes out with error codes on PS4, Slim, and maybe the Pro. I want to explain something to Sony so Sony can understand that when you have an error code onto your PlayStation, you have to delete the whole entire system. Now, I got a fresh brand new USB 4 gigabytes compatible to fit into the USB on the PS4, and I'm just using it for backup system storage. I'm very disappointed and I feel very sad about this because if I would have been a creator for Sony, I would have allowed to put a history of error codes on a PS system. So let's say if somebody would have started brand new, it was their first time, I'm gonna do all the steps that everybody do online. It's gonna ask you for the internet connection, but I'm gonna say later and just start fresh. Just to show proof that the code stays there forever. If you see, there's no USB connected to my system yet. I want to show a lot of people online that if the PS5 do come out, please, I hope they take this off. So right now, I'm gonna show you proof, Sony, that it's clear. There's nothing in there, no error, history. Now I'm gonna show you what will happen if you go and wanna eject a USB into the PS4. And I want to copy. That's exactly what happens. And if you want to know how to delete it, I just showed it to you in the beginning of the video. It's sad that you have to erase the whole entire game. And if you want to find out where this history goes at, is where I showed you before. A lot of people think that I'm a liar. Proof of evidence of what happens. And this is 7.51. So no proof, no updates that fix this problem. So the only way you can do it is you have to shut off your whole entire system. Gonna show you one more time so nobody forgets how to reformat the whole entire system. Don't listen to nobody on YouTube. Just watch my video and this will help you a lot. I'm not skipping. I'm not editing. This is proof facts. You need to see this to believe it. There's no YouTuber like me that want to show you this, but I got to. And this is not good for kids. They are young. Of putting a process, edit, error code into a game. Now the only way you can delete the whole entire error code and you will never have it again, don't use none of these. You have to go to the last one and clear the whole history. It sucks that you downloaded all your games on a save file and it still do the same thing. And don't worry, if you have a extended hard drive, that error code will pop up in there too. Nobody thinks that PS4 Slim's got error history codes. I showed these to you now. 2020. I'm very disappointed. I thought PS4 was going to be way better without error codes, man. Hoping the 5 they better not have this idea. Because it's very silly. And the reason why I'm showing you this is because a lot of people create accounts, and if one of them do not know their password or email, you'll lose it. You lose the games you bought. You lose your information just because of an error code. Oh, and I'm going to show you something else too. What happens with an error code? Because they thought they fixed the system, but at the end of the day, they didn't do nothing. They just gave an update. And this happens to Skyrim, Fallout 4, other different games. The applications get corrupted. And other games that get corrupted. So it really sucks that, you get to find out. So I'm gonna go again. Everything is brand new. If you notice, it really is. No error code required. Just to show people online how to delete it. Now I'm gonna go back to that same method and I'm gonna show you something else that a lot of people don't tell you. What happens onto the error code? Oh yeah, so you don't think that I'm lying. I'm gonna show you the stupid ass version. So I'm going back to the same process. Same thing pops up. I'm gonna press OK. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go to system storage and I'm go here, right? And if you click there and you go to the bottom and you verify it, I know you cannot because, another error code pops up. It really is kind of funny how you get to realize there's so many freaking error codes in the system. If you put the password wrong on your internet, that's another error code. If you try to connect a Bluetooth device, headsets onto the PS4 Slim or Pro, you will receive an error code. So I'm gonna reformat it. The memory card, just the memory card. Just to show people online. Another one. Another error code. Just to show people online, but what happened to your game? So if you go here, this don't fix it. If you thought that you fixed it, well, you did not. It restarts the whole system. I'm just trying to show you some methods so nobody thinks that I'm bullshitting. Because when I see these codes, it is annoying as shit. And when you see it, you have to delete it. Because of what happened to every game you bought. Error code. Application cannot be read. It's very sad though, to create a system like this. And if you notice, I am not hacking. I'm just checking it out, seeing what goes wrong into your system. If you don't see what button you click on. So the question of the year is, will the error code stays in the system no matter what? You clear the whole history? Yes, it stays there. So now you know how to do it. Stay safe. And don't put crazy stuff into your system because this is what happened. And there's a lot more. So I didn't want to stay all day showing you over 1,000 different error codes that they have. And I got 4 gigabytes and it says 250. That's sad.